replace these hood struts, go ahead and take a 12mm wrench, start unthreading this here. Your new ones should come with new little ball screw hold downs. And you do want to support the hood, because once you take this one off fully, there won't be anything, well, there'll be the other side, but the other side is not strong enough to support the whole hood. There we go. Now from the bottom, do the same thing. All right, now with the new one, the little ball hold down screws are actually removable, so it's a lot easier because you can use a socket and snug it up this way. These new ones are a 13mm, and do the same to this bottom one. Make sure you don't forget to put this washer in here. Okay, that's nice and snug. Grab your new hood strut and keep in mind that it goes with the narrower end facing down. You can press this on, turn it to match this top one, line it up, and press this on too. Now you can let go and do the same thing to the other side.